Bean Beauties, welcome back. DeeDeeBean here. How you doing? If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, or just take care of all that from the get-go and not have to worry about doing anything special. I really appreciate it when y'all are here to visit me and taking time out of your schedule just to come by and see me. I greatly appreciate it. Today we're doing a Nordstrom rack unboxing, but it's a Dooney and Burke. And there's two items in here, but one's a small item and one's an actual purse. Let's do the bracelet. They had these. This was purchased back in May the 26th. It was a Nordstrom rack product, and it was a metal and cubic zirconia pave bar slider, and oh, it's really pretty. But what I like about it is that I can do these easily as I say that, and there, see, it comes off, and I can do that with one hand. So these are my preferred bracelets. I have a couple on right now. This one's better, the round flat round kind, and then here's a circle one, which is like the one I have. But this was regularly $15.97, and it was on clearance for $2.99. So I couldn't pass it up adding it to my basket. So it's either be something I utilize myself, or like I've told y'all, I buy all year long. When I see good deals like this, I'll buy all year long. So it could be a gift for my daughter, my daughter-in-law, my granddaughter, myself. So, you know, who knows? And it comes in its own little packet here. Did I show it to y'all to see? Or did I selfishly not show it to y'all? I don't remember. Here, just in case. See? That's what it looks like. And here's the bar. It's got the little cubic zirconia. I don't know how to say it. So it's really pretty. I mean, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad for $3. It is sterling silver, I believe, is what it was. I don't know if it'll still be on the website or not. Yeah, it was sterling silver. So for sterling silver, $3, not bad. Not bad at all. I'll buy that all day long. Okay. All right, we'll set that over here. Okay, so back to what you really came for. I've gone on this satchel craze. I can't tell you now how many I've purchased. I purchased a nano that I don't know if y'all have seen at this point. Nordstrom rack. They haven't had anything Dooney and Burke for a long time. They just hadn't anything in stock, and then they had this in stock, and I was like, okay. Ooh, it's pretty big. It says it's a medium zip leather hobo bag. So it's the wow. The medium's pretty medium. I don't know. The color is caramel, and one was on sale for $124.97. So you know that these bags are way up there. It's sold out right now on the website, on the Nordstrom Rack website. So it says it's regular $348, and that's about how much they are on the Dooney website. Wow. I'm looking at it because I'm like, not sure if I'm keeping it. That's why I was like, I wasn't sure about it. I'm gonna unpack it because it's pretty big. See, there's nothing on there that says the weight or anything. Not like it's on the website. Okay, let's see if I can slide this over without having to get a fit this way. So it has the gold brass hardware. And this is one of those puzzle, what I call the puzzle straps that where I'm like, okay, how is it supposed to work? Okay, so here it is. It's really pretty, but it's definitely a top handle, and it has the on both sides it has a tassel. Let me see if I can give you a peek of the tassel. I know you and me always keep everything. I might be in the return window, so I might be able to return it, but so I'm going to be careful. I don't ever return anything, but oh, see, here it is. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful caramel color. Has a zipper pull here with a little braided zipper pull right there. Okay, so it has the red interior, of course, and let's try to, oh, it's kind of tough. There we go. There's the dust bag. So even with it coming from here, it has a dust bag. Oh, okay, here we go. You know, I guess because I had the nano, I was thinking, and the nano's teeny tiny, I was thinking the medium wasn't going to be, you know, would be okay. You know, I definitely wasn't going to go for a large. Okay, so it has the keeper here. Has the regular Dooney setup. So, because these kind of flip over, so they're a little, the opening's a little bit precarious in there. So, let's see, it has, can you see? Okay, so it has the pocket here, and then it has a front pocket on there, down there. It has a zipper. So it has a zipper pocket right there, which it has the registration paper. I can feel that right there. And then in front of the zipper pocket is the slot pocket. And the front of the purse is the front wall. Here is just one. Can you see it? One pocket, one slip pocket. Here on the side is the Dooney label. They no longer say made in anywhere. They just, you know, just have the label. And it has lots of room. There's lots of room in there. Ow. It does feel a little heavy for me, but it's pretty. You, like, get the slouch like that somehow. Oh no. I like her, she's pretty. And I never return anything. You know, I'm sitting here debating, and you know that I'm not going to return it. I think what's going on in my head is the fact that I don't know what sizes I got. I purchased some from eBay, a satchel, and I purchased from shopgoodwill.com, and I think I even purchased one on Google Finds. I think I just have to get used to it and just make sure I don't weigh it down. So I'm just thinking, I was like, what sizes are the other sizes that I purchased? Well, I'm gonna turn this into a little satchel series too. So I guess I'll let you know on the next unboxing whether or not I kept it, or at the last unboxing I'll keep you posted to see what I'm gonna do, because I need to open the other ones and see, because if they're all big. I didn't get larges, so I had to get smalls and mediums because I try to be real careful not to get larges, but you never know how they label them, you know. And I guess it's really not too big. It just was a little shocking, and I guess it's not any bigger than some of my other bags, like a tote bag or something, right? 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 Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. Well, she's a beautiful bag. The hardware is gorgeous. And the price is wonderful. So, stay tuned for updates. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me today. Sorry, I was a little thrown off today, but that's how it is sometimes. You never know, even when it's a brand new purchase, never know how it's gonna go. Okay, thank you very much for joining me. Love y'all. Bye-bye.